What's new in Gutenberg 17.5? Let's see. So first thing is editor unification. Oh, Jay Groshan, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Jay Giroshan. Why is my bot is not working? Ugh, starting to get on my nerves a little bit. Anyways, I'm supposed to say a bunch of things. You're supposed to do this and tell you how awesome you are. Anyhow, all right. Quick edit for the video. We'll edit that part out. Anyways, editor unification. Let's take a look. Okay, the editor unification project is working to combine the post editor and site editor into one unified editor. This release brings our goal closer by combining many of the preferences in these two editors into one shared preferences panel. All right, let's have a look. Oh, I always click on that. I'm gonna zoom that in. I don't think anybody can see that. So let's go in here, and I'll go in here. I'll go in preferences. So what is this? So what's it showing? General. Okay. Well, I'm in the site editor. So if I go in here, can I switch to the? I wanna maybe pages. Let's edit this page. What? Oh, I think that was the same thing as the other one. What did it say? Always show open list. Okay, so it's unifying some of these things. Okay, that's interesting. That's pretty cool. So what's this? Always open list view. What does that do? So I mean, it means it's open. Cool. So now let's go over to. I actually like that a lot. Let's go to my template. We'll go in here and see. Oh, and there you go. Now it's always open. I like that preference. I didn't know that was the thing. Okay, cool. So that's nice. That's nice. What's the next one? Okay. Gallery block random order setting. Oh, that's cool. My watch is blowing up here. It's craziness. In 57477, we added a new setting to the gallery block which allows you to give your gallery images random order. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. I don't know if we need to test that, but let's have a look. So in Gutenberg, if I go, I'm gonna close that now. I'm gonna put in a gallery block. I'm gonna go media library. We're gonna take some of these terrifying images that were picked, and of course we'll have to start it with Kev. I don't know if kids, Kevin here. Kevin. He lives in Thailand now, so you know he may not be here. Okay, so this is clearly has to be the first one because we all love Kev. Okay, so where am I doing here? It's block. So where do I set that now? Oh, the gallery block is what I want. So if I click on the gallery block, random order, there we go. So let's update this. Take a little look. So it's random every time. That's cool. That's helpful. I like that. I'm in. I changed my mind about the preferences. I'm going to turn that off now. It's a little annoying. Okay, cool. This is kind of a small one. There's only a few things here. So other notable highlights. Post featured image. Add a first frame from post. First image from post attribute. What does that even mean? So that's an option called use first image from post. This option. Oh, that's pretty clear. Okay. So if we... Oh, that's interesting. So if I put an image in here and I pick from the media library and I pick this one because, why not? So would I do it here? I guess I wouldn't do it here. I'd have to do it in the... okay, come on, update. So if I go up here and I go edit site, single post template. So if I go in here, what's this? Featured image. Where is that set? That doesn't make any sense now. Create a post with an image in it, but no featured image. Edit the template with a query block that contains a featured image. Ah, query block. Okay. Okay, where are we here? There we go. Back here. We're gonna go to whatever. Let's go to index. So this should be a query block in here somewhere. Query loop, and then group, and then post template, and then featured image. Okay, I'm still not seeing where that is. Notice the query block doesn't contain any image in the featured image in the front end. No, edit the featured image block to enable use first image from post. Okay, featured image. Maybe in the query blocks? Yeah, maybe. I don't see it. What? Okay. Create a new post with an image in it, but no featured image. Edit a template with a query block that contains a featured image block. Notice that the query block image doesn't display in the feature block in the or on the front end. Edit the featured image block. Okay. Oh, where am I going here? So, am I dumb? So where'd the featured image go? Post template, we'll put it up here. Huh? What the deuce? What the deuce? I don't see the option at all. Now, hold on. That's weird. Okay. So that doesn't seem to be... Did something happen maybe? Huh. Ashish, oh God, Ashishithap. I'm saying that wrong. I'm sorry. Thank you for the follow. Big Bad Mick, thank you for the follow as well. Interesting. I can't get this thing to work, and I wonder if it's. I wonder. Let's go to code editor. Didn't see. Weird, I don't see anything in it. I wonder, okay, so when I updated Gutenberg, I updated it to 17 where is this here? Oh my lord. 17.5.2, which I think is weird, but maybe let's look in the releases and see if something. No, so I can't get it working, and I don't know why. That's super weird. Okay, so interesting, and a little unfortunate. Keep repeating myself. So featured image does not have that option in there anywhere. At least I don't see it. Oh wait, is it in the toolbar maybe? Is there like a setting in here that I need to look at? Doesn't seem like there's anything. Yeah, this doesn't seem right. Something seems a little off here. Oh. I wonder if it needs to be. Hold on. Stand by. Standby. I wonder if it needs to be like a single post. I wonder if that's what it is. Let's look. So if I go to my templates and I go into, say, my pages template and I edit this and I click on that, nope, it doesn't seem to matter. I can't get it to Kavya Kirthi, thank you for the follow. Kavya Kirthi, thank you for the follow. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. Okay, I can't get it to work. So there is something going on. Sorry, but you can give me the GitHub link you're viewing. Yeah. So what we're looking at. Sorry, I should have linked this. We're looking at what's new in Gutenberg for 17, 12. Oh God. So this is the link that we're looking at, and specifically, this is the repo, or sorry, this is the image. What am I saying? This is the GitHub issue to get that in there, but I don't know. Create a new post with an image in it, but no featured image. Edit the template with a query block that contains the featured image block. Notice that the query block doesn't display anything. Edit the feature, yeah. So there's no. I don't see that coming up there. Very strange. Okay, so I'm going to move on, but that's I'm going to follow up with that because that seems odd to me. Add drag cursor to draggable list items. Okay, font library. Add progress bar while uploading font assets. Very cool. All right, let's look through the change set. The change log, I should say. It's more detailed stuff. So editor unification, icon, stuff like that. Components. Replace tab panel with tabs and inline color picker. Add compact. Base control. Connect with context. Okay, font library. Gonna drink a little coffee. If anyone gets that working, let me know because I would like to see what that's all about. I cannot get it working. Font library stuff, site editor, components. Okay, interactivity API, implement initial state. This is pretty cool. So this for the interactivity API. If you've been using the interactivity API. As of late, you will have started with something called WP Store, which I can show you in this block, and we're gonna get into this in a second. But there's this, we had this. Where is it? Is this what I'm looking for? Yeah. So this used to be called WP Store, and it was actually implemented in a slightly different way. And if you were here with me last week, you saw that I updated Gutenberg and broke my block developer cookbook site because I was using WP Store. So this is the set initial state where you set a namespace and then you set all these things that you want in your namespace. We'll talk about this in a second, but so that's a pretty big one. So if you're using the interactivity API, make sure that you make that update. Interactive template use navigation block use site editor. Okay. Post featured image. Yeah, I don't know if that's necessarily a thing that's right. Yeah, gallery block, add random order count, image block, change. Okay, yeah. Bug fixes. Avoid using memory selector without dependencies. Core data, past options, accessibility. Okay, block editor. This is like a real quality of life release. I think there's nothing super groundbreaking in here so far, anyways. Footnotes, functional link, table, remove unnecessary margin. Okay, template part block, fix template part, blah blah. Components, fix icon positioning. Not much going on there. Okay. Site editor. Okay. Global styles, this layout patterns, patterns. Fix template preview menu accessibility. Oh, that's nice. That's something that needs to be always thought of first. The accessibility controls around, especially stuff like that. And Mechanic, how's it going? I cannot say your name. You come from YouTube. There it says they're asking for me to review font uploading. Sure, we can take a look at that. Look, I'm gonna get through this and then we'll take a look at that. Block tools, performance. Data views. The data views thing, you gotta just keep an eye on the data views thing. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. If you're not familiar with it, I can show you what that looks like. So if you go into your appearance, the editor, you can go into pages, and then if you click down here and manage all pages, you'll get not that. What is going on? Do I not have the plugin enabled or some junk? Oh, I know what it is. Sorry. You have to you have to come into experiments. Yes. Leave the site, and you want to go new admin views. You want to check that off. And then you want to change that. So now if you come into appearance, editors, pages, you get this. Oh, this is cool. This is all brand new now. It used to be that you had to click the manage all pages thing, but if you click on this, it takes you right into the page. Oh, that's slick. Oh, where did you see that? I didn't see that. A mechanic. Where did you see that? Was that in the repo, or did I just not read it? Oh my God, right there. Duh. So, okay, so then you would have to, so the attribute that the theme builders can add via the code. Interesting. So where's the implementation of doing that? I totally didn't read that. Totally didn't read that. So I think, so this is something we have to do. We have to expose through an attribute. So, oh, there it is right there. So you need to set this to true. Okay, cool. So you would have to go in and filter that then. That's cool. M mechanic. Kevin! Oh, that's not for you. This is for you. That's for you too. Thank you. Thank you for telling me to read the actual entire issue. You're the best. Awesome. Cool. This is different. It used to be like more of a table view. You're awesome. Don't you start with me. Anyway, so this is pretty cool stuff. What else we got here? Well, they've made some changes here. I quite like this. Okay. Anyways, so where are we here? Data views. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Patterns, overrides, documentation. Lots of documentation stuff coming through. I don't know if you've seen the new block developer handbook or not, but it looks super nice. Super nice. Yeah, go check this out. Poke around. Tell us what you think. I had nothing to do with it. Nick Diego was running the show on this one, but this is so much nicer. So much nicer. Adam Wills Dev. Hey, haven't seen you in a while. Doing a fair bit of long words. Whenever I come back to it, it seems something's changed with this UI and new tools. Yeah, things change fast. Fast. Big Bad Mick, you're watching me from Northern Ireland. Well, thank you, and top of the morning to you. Is that right? God, what a horrible way to welcome a new viewer. Fantastic. Thank you so much for hanging out with us here from Northern Ireland. Potato. Is that what they say? Oh, right. Like, is that from Lord of the Rings? Potato. Like that? Accent's horrible. Oh, I am absolute. Kevin's here. Kevin. I'm editing that out of the video. It's not going to be on the. Anyways, yeah. So Adam Wills Deb, you're 100% right. Keeping up with development's hard. And funny you should mention that because I just released a YouTube short on that. Shameless self promotion. Yeah, but there's so. That's why we're doing this, because there's a lot of things that happens fast. 2 week release cycle for Gutenberg is breakneck speed in like historically speaking in WordPress, it is lightning fast. Because usually it would be like, you wouldn't get updates until the big release, right? And so anyways, so it's a lot to keep track of. The pattern overrides. Is that are you talking about the partially synced patterns and mechanics? Is that what we're talking about? Yeah, that's going to be some very cool stuff. There's a lot to get our head around with that, and naming things is probably the big one. Yeah. Code quality. Okay, so let's get back into this code quality. Anyways, Big Bad Mick, I really appreciate you being here. I hope you don't take offense to any of my horrible Irish accent things. Anyways, just stay. Don't. I can't lose a viewer. Anyways, block by library. Background image is okay, yeah. No movement necessary. Synchronization effect, navigation, refactor, mobile overlay, breakpoint, JS, search block, remove unused, blah, blah, blah. Improve, okay, patterns, improve sort of content. Oh. Okay. This is not Power. Hey, Carolina, how's it going? Did we get drops in this channel? Wait, this is not Power World. What's this? But I just read a thing about Power World today. What is that? Is that like it's a Pokemon knockoff or something, isn't it? Am I understanding what that is? And welcome, Carolina. I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, list view, okay, tools, dependency extraction will use import for external modules, okay. Ooh, true. Use module, okay. Webpack not setting environmental rules, modules. Keep an eye on the dependency extraction plugin. That's kind of like, that's a big thing. It's under the hood, but it's what powers the scripts package to make sure that you don't have to actually import things. I never even heard about this. Like I literally just read this on Reddit or something this morning about like how Pokemon released this, like, or whoever owns Pokemon, is it Nintendo? I don't even know. I don't know. I'm an old man. I don't know anything about this stuff. They released a statement about it. I don't know. Bunch of testing stuff. Let's see. Build tooling, scripts. Ooh, what's this? Build block JSON view module. What does that thing do? Okay. Adding handling of view module field block JSON when scripts. Oh, that's interesting. So if you're not familiar with it, the interactivity API it uses modules to load JavaScript. So you don't target it in block.json anymore. You use a separate function, which is called something. Where is it? It's right here. Gutenberg and Q module, and it looks like so typically what you would do if you wanted to load front-end JS, you would usually come in and do view script, right? And then you would pass the file path to your view script. Well, with the interactivity API, you don't do that because they're not using files; they're using JavaScript modules in the browser. So this looks like it's going to be adding that in, which is pretty cool. So view module. Okay, so then you would change view script to view module, it looks like, and I think that would work. That is super cool. And technically that would work now in the scripts package because the packages are released during the 2-week release cycle of Gutenberg. There's the release candidate in the first week, and then there's the second week is the actual release. Well, in the release candidate phase, when the release candidate is released, all the packages are versioned and they are published as well. So anything that gets into the release candidate that is part of the pack will also be released publicly as the package, right? So I've been doing condensed videos of condensed videos of WP updates these days, like of Gutenberg. Well, you're kind of looking at it. This is what I'm doing right now, but nothing. I'm not aware of anything that's like produced, like anything that's like cut down and like really edited and scripted and all that stuff. It's just me rambling. But I know that the Gutenberg changelog, which is a podcast that Birgit Polyhack does, that's really popular. Yeah, so you can go check that out. You can go find that wherever that is. Cool. So this is pretty cool. So that means that we can probably make some changes to the interactivity API when we build this stuff out. Sweet. Oh, that's not it. Where's the thing? Oh, you know what it was? Where'd it go? I need to go back to my post. Okay, where did we end up here? Change log. Okay, I think we already got through all this. Oh, sorry. Cool. First time contributor. Nice. Always glad to see first-time contributors in here. Now, the most important part is anyone from the stream in here. Let's see. Carolina, is that you? Can't link it, so I don't know. A lot of the same. Okay. Sweet. Well, awesome, Carolina. Well done. Awesome. Cool. Okay. Well, I think that's it. That's it for Gutenberg 12.7. What version is this? 17.5. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content on WordPress development. You can also join me live every Thursday at 10:30 Eastern on Twitch. Check the description for the link.